Hello, I'm Dick Enberg, here in Miami's Joe Robbie Stadium, the site of Super Bowl 23. Now, we are here a bit early, but we wanted to ensure ourselves a great seat for both games. Now, what do we mean by both games? Well, the NFL, of course, will play their championship game, the Super Bowl 23, but simultaneously another championship game, almost as big, will be played. Bud and Bud Light are going head-to-head in Bud Bowl 1. Watch this.
Football fans, get ready for the battle of the century as unbeaten Budweiser takes on undefeated Bud Light. It's Bud versus Bud Light in Bud Bowl 1. Pick up your official scorecard wherever you see this display.
Hey, Bud, super idea. You see the neck on that guy?
Use it to follow the action and you could win big. So get ready, get set. On January 22nd, Bud Bowl 1. This time, it's for real.
And it's going to be a year for the record books for Bud and for Bud Light.
Let's get started with the biggest story of all, a sporting event destined to become the biggest thing in football since the face mask.
Bigger than Lombardi's back-to-back Super Bowls in the 60s?
Bigger than the AFL-NFL merger.
Bigger than that guy in Chicago?
What, Ditka?
No, not him, but Roy and folks, we are talking big. It's humongous.
We're talking the biggest knockdown, drag-out, winner-take-all matchup in football history. We're talking the biggest television sports event ever.
That's right, because on January 22nd, we are talking
Bud Bowl 1.
Guys, this is confidential.
Listen, it's okay, Bernie, okay?
Two teams, your teams, in a championship matchup nationally televised on the Super Bowl.
We are talking Bud versus Bud Light for all the marbles.
It's a secret.
And here to set the stage for the Battle of the Brews, let's go to our colleague Keith Jackson. Roll it, Bernie.
Well, hello again, everybody. Ho-dilly, folks. I'm here at the home of the biggest barn burner to ever take place on the gridiron. Yes, indeedy doody, I'm talking about the Bud versus the Bud Light game in Bud Bowl 1. Come January 22, there's going to be thunder and lightning in here. You bet your bottom dollar. We've got an undefeated Budweiser squad led by a bruising running game and unbeaten Bud Light with their quick-strike offense, and I tell you, they can hurt you in so many ways. And you'll see it all during the Super Bowl, the punts, the passes, the kicks, and yes, indeedy doody, even the fumble! Ho-dilly! No candy rumps allowed in this one. No, sirree, Bobby.
Let's now go to our esteemed colleague for more.
Roy, Chris, ladies and gentlemen in the audience. Hello again, everybody. With me today via satellite, two quarterbacks of the opposing teams. Thank you, gentlemen, for taking the time to join us today.
Good to be here, Howard.
Yeah, our pleasure, Howard.
All right. Quite directly, tell me, this game, this clash of the titans, this battle of the beverages, this legendary matchup of the libations will be watched by some 100 million viewers. Are you feeling the inevitable onset of the pre-confrontational butterflies?
Nah.
We just want to kick some Bud.
Hey, lighten up.
Hey, you lighten up.
All right, all right. Your respective offenses are asymmetrically opposed. In point of fact, do you foresee any radical readjustments to account for these counteractive approaches?
I never took good arithmetic. I have no idea.
Howard, we have no idea what you just said.
Ever.
Pardon my pontification. Perhaps I can at least proffer a prediction from either of you gentlemen.
Howard, look, these are two strong teams, and it should be neck and neck.
Yeah, Howard, you can expect a real brouhaha, you know what I mean?
Yeah, ha, ha, ha.
All right. Thank you, and good luck.
Good night, Howard.
Yeah, good night, Howard. See you at the Bud Bowl.
Get ready, football fans. Here she comes.
Football fans, get ready for the battle of the century as unbeaten Budweiser takes on undefeated Bud Light. It's Bud versus Bud Light in Bud Bowl 1. Pick up your official scorecard wherever you see this display.
Hey, Bud, super idea. You see the neck on that guy?
Use it to follow the action and you could win big. So get ready, get set. On January 22nd, Bud Bowl 1. This time, it's for real.
Woohoo, that's hot.
So hot that we can't show you anymore because
It's a secret.
It's a secret, but now you know. The biggest advertising promotional event in the history of the Super Bowl.
And finally, a good reason to watch the fourth quarter of the Super Bowl.
Yeah, that's for sure. And it's coming January 22nd. Bud Bowl 1. This time,
It is for real.
a little lower.
For real.
You get the idea.
For real.